were all ERs, and if you say all were covered by digital signatures, and if the answer is yes, how were you able to determine that all the ERs were covered by digital signatures?
Election returns that do not have any digital signature will not be accepted by the consolidation and canvassing system. And the consolidation and canvassing system, depending on the level of canvassing, will produce its own certificates of canvass, which will also have its own digital signature, so that the provincial board will now know that the certificate of canvass being transmitted to it by a municipality comes from a valid source also. Similar to...
Liken it to a common occurrence, like texting. If we block a texter in our cell phone, the cell phone will detect the signature of the other cell phone, and that the text of that cell phone will not be received by your cell phone because it's blocked. Is it something like that? It will block the transmission of a machine that is not digitally valid. Is that correct? Your server will not receive messages from a people's machine whose digital signature is not validated by your server.
That's correct, Your Honor. The system, and this can be attested by Sisters Labs, who did the review, the full review of the system, and the DOST, will actually reject any package that does not contain not only a digital signature, but one generated from a valid source, meaning the certificates created by the COMELEC for the election. That being said, if there were any cases of any detection of anything, then you can see them in the logs. But in general, the design principle of the system is, I'd rather not sacrifice a transmission than receive something that is telephone or not signed.
If I may, the purpose of this hearing was to allow our colleagues who lost and who have, or even those like I have invited members here to come in who won, but are still convinced that there were mysterious transactions that reduced their lead. We were supposed to limit ourselves to specific cases, specifying specific occurrences that the COMELEC can try to explain or not explain. We're trying to avoid theoretical discussions. We're trying to avoid going all the way to the canvassing because that's none of our business for President and Vice President. These are things that matter to us because we are all, these are our colleagues, unless we have forgotten them already, which I wouldn't be surprised because money's nice. We are really gathered here to answer the call of our colleagues about their specific experiences. So if those colleagues are not yet here, perhaps, are there any here who would like to... by the way, on the encryption though, there's a good point that Congressman Gomez raised. Commissioner Melo, myself, and Cheese were asked to put our passwords in the system. We were never called again. I even actually thought of a very mysterious password that nobody would figure out unless you are